Hey, second grade, today you are going to do a how to draw activity. You get to go to the video and pause it as you need. To get there, you'll need to go to Google Classroom. If you're in Google Classroom, but you are not on the art website for Google Classroom, you can get to this page by going to the three dots up here in the corner, clicking that home picture, and it will take you to a place where you see all of your classes. I have a lot of classes because I'm a teacher. You probably don't have this many. Find your class, go ahead and click on that link, and you will see that I've posted your how to draw activity. All you need to do is go to that link and you can go ahead and start watching. If you want this to be a little bit larger, you can go ahead and hit that corner button right here to make it full screen. And that way you can go ahead and draw really big. If you need to go ahead and make this go a little bit slower, you can hit pause. Your headphones should be on and you should be using a marker to draw today. After you're done, you can go ahead and color it in with crayons or colored pencils. Have fun!